Well, hey, I got Danny Agosta from Steele Rubber Products in the shop with me today. Good to see you, Danny.
You too, Dennis.
You know, Steele Rubber Products is really what I consider kind of the authorities in weather stripping and, you know, keeping the bad stuff out and the good stuff in a car. You guys have been doing this for an awful long time.
Yeah, this is our 60th anniversary, and over that time we've acquired a lot of knowledge, and we're here to share that knowledge with you to help you finish your project.
And that's important. So what all we got here? What are we going to talk about here?
One of the things that we do is our custom catalogs. It's made specifically for your vehicle, your body style. If you've got a 69 Camaro hardtop, we've got the one just for the hardtop. Doesn't have the convertible parts. So it's just for you. And all that research we've done in advance. We know exactly what fits your car, right down to the bumpers, and it's right there.
So
at
whatever
your
I got,
fingertips.
I call and I say, I got a 67 Thunderbird, and you say, okay, here's your catalog.
That's right, and we can send you a catalog. You can have it online, you can download it, we can email it to you, you can have it right there.
But so that car is for my car.
That's right.
I love it.
The other things that we do is we can tell you what tools you'll need to do the job. If you're going to be putting in a windshield with locking strip, you know, we have locking strip tools that come in super handy to get that locking strip into the windshield gasket.
Comes out easy.
Comes out easy, doesn't go in so easy.
easy.
We can help you with knowing what parts you're also going to have to replace. For instance, if you're digging in your door and you're redoing your vent window, that's when you also want to do your run channel and your belt line. You don't want to have to get in there twice. So that's some of the information that we can give you. We have a great customer service staff that love to talk to people.
Great how-to videos too, by the way.
Exactly. So we have dozens of how-to videos on our website, on our YouTube channel, all of our social medias.
So you got all the tools, you got all the goos and the degooers, and you got all the custom catalogs. And then a lot of times, I'm not exactly sure what I have, what I need, and you got these great sample kits.
If you're working on a hot rod and didn't have rubber, or if you're doing something custom, or you're working on something that's not even a car, stuff for your trailer and your RV, we have parts for all of that. And we know if you're working on a door, for instance, we know what kind of part you need, so we can send you sample packs that have several different profiles, and you can find out exactly what it is that you need before you order it, get disappointed and have to buy something else.
Yeah, and these are free.
They're absolutely free.
You just charge shipping on them.
No, we don't even charge shipping.
You don't charge shipping on them? Oh my gosh. Well, and like you said, the universal catalog, hot rods or something, you have this universal catalog, you have a pile of universal weather stripping that, you know, fit all these profiles. But then you also mentioned RVs, because you've now started getting into RVs. There's a lot of rubber in RVs.
Yes.
And there's no place to get it.
Right. So over the past couple years, we started getting into RVs, and over the last year, we've gotten real heavy into it. We're all in. And we've had a great response from it, and there's certain parts that are specific for RVs. You have these big giant seals that go on slide outs. You're not going to see this on any Fiero.
No, I don't think so.
But
maybe squeegee the windshield.
Yeah, exactly. So, you know, we've got the RV catalog, and it's divided up into what section you're working on. Again, you know, taking our expertise and pouring it out to help the customer find exactly what it is that they need if they don't know.
Yeah, and that's what you guys, I mean, you guys are great for that. You really do help people with their projects, whether it's the, you know, the rubber itself, the sample packs, the custom catalogs, now even for RVs, the tools, the goos, you guys got it all.
From OE to completely custom, we can help a customer figure out anything that they need to do to seal their project, and we enjoy doing that.
Yeah, I can tell you do. Hey, if you want to learn anything more about these great rubber products or all the knowledge that Steele has, log on to steelerubber.com. Yeah, man, you're my source of rubber knowledge.